I don't know what that was.
I get the play. My track too.
Yes, Metal Knight's Revenge.
You have to face Bug next?
Yeah. You're in grade 9? Shit, son! Hope you're gonna outgrow me. You know how old I am? I'm actually 20.
Commentating for this match.
Huh? I'm so stunned, yo! Fuck! March 11th. Ooh. Yes, Rod! Tell that bitch to go home. Ooh. Matt brought the A game this time, yo. Fuck, yo.
At least that ice times were so bad.
I knew they were good, I just haven't seen a good ice climb. Oh boy. I feel inspired to learn them now.
Same.
I want to bust some dirty combos.
I want to go home and try that.
Ooh, nice shield.
We have a long weekend, we have some time to practice.
Yo, we need to exchange emails. I need to come play with you guys.
Is there a tournament?
Not that I know of.
What's the one out there?
Do you have a Smash Bros account?
Huh? Yeah, MDK00.
I don't have one yet, dude. I never really took Brawl seriously.
I don't know. St. Catherine's far, yo.
I'm just gonna go to any tournament Bug goes to.
No, it's not.
If he moves, you can pick it.
Oh shit, yo, he needs this one. Yo, fuck that shit up, guys. Fuck that shit up.
Oh shit,
Yo, I don't care, yo. Drix is a warrior, yo. Doesn't matter if he's down a stock or two. This guy will fight you to the end, guy. No easy wins on Drix, guy. Jesus! Oh, retard's fucking this shit up, yo. There's no saving that one. No saving that one.
Inside joke. Between another guy that nothing common.
Hey, focus on the match. Trust me. Less talking, more smashing.
Or Smash your baby.
Easy.
I can't say how many stocks they have, yeah?
1, 2. Drix has only one left.
How'd he get out of all that chain
I want to see Drix.
Yeah. It's Rob, though. It's heavy, too, right? Showing recovery. Oh my god, man.
Drix is a bitch.
Yeah, yo. Good matches, guys. Good matches.
See, this is why people should ban